TikTok now has stories. They copied Instagram, but then again, Instagram copied Snapchat. So TikTok copied Snapchat? I don't know. It gets really confusing. Now, if you open TikTok recently, there's been a little pop-up menu that says TikTok Stories. Create stories fast and easy with their new camera feature. And then just like every other story feature, it can disappear after 24 hours. Now, you may be interested in it. You may want to try it. You maybe want to, I don't know, get it going because you're just curious about it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find it, how to make it, and how to post it. Y'all ready? Let's go. Hello everyone, my name is Nick and welcome back to Getting Social with Nick. Now we are a collective of content creators, social media managers, all in one place, and we love to give you our secrets. That's what this channel is all about. My voice just cracked, so I gotta do that over.
My name is Nick and welcome back to Getting Social with Nick.
If you can hear the gardeners outside, I do apologize, but we're not stopping. Now this YouTube channel is all about giving you tricks, tips, and secrets from a professional that's been doing it upwards of a decade. Now, as I stated a little bit earlier, we are going to go over TikTok Stories. It is a brand new feature that they are rolling out to the masses. It hasn't gone out to every single account yet, but if you are the lucky few, you can get a head start on figuring out and how to utilize it best for your business, your brand, whatever it is you're doing on TikTok. So no more intro. Let's get into where to find it, how to make it, where to post it. Let's get into everything. All right, now in order to find it, you're just gonna go to your For You page. You're gonna scroll down and let's say that there is a person that you wanna watch their story. So for this example, we're gonna see Selena Gomez. She's doing a little TikTok that was on For You page. And then when you go to her profile page, just like with every other platform, the story is the profile picture. So all you're gonna have to do is click it. But how you know that there is one there is there's a little blue circle around it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click the story and there they are. Now stories could be throwaway content. Stories can be your posts. Stories could just be a funny little video with your friend. They could be a photo. They could literally be anything, just like Instagram stories. So for Selena, she has a little video with her friend, kind of like behind the scenes, just kind of throwaway content. TikTok stories work the same, whereas you could check out the sound, you could like, you could comment, you could share it. The only catch with this one is it's throwaway, so it will delete after 24 hours. And to the best of my knowledge, it doesn't pop up in search. So when you click the specific sound that she used for this, it is not anywhere to be found. So it's almost like unlisted content on YouTube, where you can only see it through the story feature. Now that is how you find and watch someone else's story. Now we're gonna make a little TikTok story. We're just gonna do this live, okay? All right, the TikTok is done. Then all you have to do is click Add to Story, and then boom, it's officially there. All you have to do is click it, and it is good to go. Now, TikTok Stories is still brand new. It is still in its infant stage. A lot of creators do not know what to do with it yet, but a key thing to think about is whenever social media platforms roll out a new feature, they push it to everyone. So to hop on this trend is going to boost your page very significantly. So I highly recommend checking out TikTok Stories, at least giving it a try, see what you could do with it. All right, and it is that simple. It is that simple to find, make, and post your own TikTok story. Now, if you learned anything from this video, make sure to click that subscribe button. We got a lot of good content coming out. Now, if you have any questions on anything that I said in today's video, you can either hit us up in the email in the description or just drop a comment. We will get to everything. Now, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you next time. Peace.